Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another exciting word in the English language. Today's word is driver. So, what is a driver? Well, quite simply, a driver is a person who drives a vehicle. It could be a car, a bus, a truck, or even a train. A driver is someone who operates the controls and is responsible for moving that vehicle from one place to another. In everyday language, you might hear things like, "The driver was very careful," or "My dad is a good driver." Let's think about some words that mean something similar to driver. These are called synonyms. A good synonym for driver could be operator. For example, the operator of the bus made an announcement. Another synonym is pilot, but this is usually used for someone who flies an aircraft. We could say, the pilot landed the plane safely. Another possibility, though slightly different, is chauffeur, which refers to someone who is employed to drive a private car. The wealthy man had a chauffeur to take him everywhere. Thinking about other vehicles, you might use words like engineer for someone who drives a train, so the engineer signaled that the train was ready to depart. You could also use the term wheelman, particularly in informal contexts, especially when talking about cars. For instance, he was the wheelman in the getaway car. Now, let's consider words that have the opposite meaning to driver. These are called antonyms. It's a bit trickier to find direct antonyms for driver, but we can think about words related to passengers or people who are not driving. One could be passenger. A passenger is someone who is riding in a vehicle but is not driving it. The passenger was reading a book on the train. Another opposite idea could be pedestrian, which refers to someone who is walking. The pedestrian waited for the light to change. We could also think about someone who is being driven, so perhaps rider. The rider enjoyed the scenic route. Another concept that contrasts with driving is being stationary, meaning not moving. The car was stationary at the traffic light. Instead of actively driving, someone might be idle, implying inactivity. The idle driver waited for passengers. Let's look at how we use the word driver in everyday life. You might say, "Be careful, the driver is turning to warn someone." Or, "Are you the driver for this trip?" To check who is responsible. Common expressions include backseat driver, which refers to someone who gives unwanted advice while you're driving. You might hear, "My mother is a terrible backseat driver." You might also say, "He's a cautious driver," describing someone's driving style. When asking for identification, you might be asked to show your driver's license. Let's look at some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. The truck driver delivered the goods on time. She's learning to be a driver. He's a professional driver. The bus driver was very friendly. The taxi driver knew the city well. The race car driver won the competition. A good driver always checks their mirrors. Don't drink and drive. Be a responsible driver. I need to renew my driver's license. The driver parked the car in the garage. That brings us to the end of today's Hello Word episode on the word driver. We learned that a driver is someone who operates a vehicle, explored synonyms like operator, pilot, chauffeur, engineer, and wheelman. We contrasted it with words like passenger, pedestrian, rider, stationary, and idle. And we saw how driver is used in many everyday situations and phrases. Thanks for joining me. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support really helps others discover our show and learn English. And for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word driver and share it as a comment under this video. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, happy learning!